How to get free money on Fire Kirin. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to get free money on Fire Kirin. Getting free money on Fire Kirin is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Referral program. If Fire Kirin has a referral program, you can earn money by inviting friends to join. You and your friend might both receive a bonus when they sign up using your referral code. Promotional code. Keep an eye out for promotional code that might be offered by Fire Kirin through their social media page, newsletter or special event. Entering this code in the app can sometimes grant you money. In-app event and contest. Participate in special event, tournament, contest within the app. These event often offers free credit or other reward to winners or participants. Watch ad if available. Some gaming app offers free credit in exchange for watching ads. Check if Fire Kirin has this option available. These are some ways you can get free money on Fire Kirin. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.